Hi guys, today I'm going to cook banana flour or puso ng saging na ginataan. So, I will gonna show you how to cook the way I used to cook. Okay, so here's the ingredients that we need to prepare or cook banana flour ginataan. Okay. So first, the main ingredient is banana flour. So cut into small, and then salt, pepper, uh, coconut cream, okay, and then onion, garlic, and chili. So if you want to add something like beef, chicken, or shrimp, you can add it too. Okay. So first, we have to make it hot the pan or pot, and put a little oil. Okay. And then if the oil is already hot, so we can add and or put or fry one by one. So I just put the onion. Okay. Let's just mix it or saute it. So while we are waiting for the onion to become brown color, so let's just prepare the next one, which is garlic. So I think we can add the garlic. Okay, then let's mix. So I think it's okay now, the garlic and onion. So let's just put the chili, green chili. And then we'll add the main ingredient, which is banana flour. Let's just mix. Let's add the pepper and salt. So just mix it. Until it's ready to put the coconut milk. By the way guys, I just if you want to add something like shrimp, beef, chicken, you can add it too, okay? And then chicken seasoning or beef seasoning like that, okay? So it's still not cooked, still we cannot add the coconut milk. So let's just wait maybe around 5 to 10 minutes more. So I think it's ready to add the last ingredient, which is coconut milk. I'm just putting only little coconut milk so that it will be thick, and I like the way putting little coconut milk only. So let's just put it or add it. Yeah. Okay. Let's just mix it until it becomes thick. We have different way of cooking banana flour, but it's okay to try another way. So this is my way of cooking banana flour. If you want to try the way I cook, you can try it too. So let's just wait maybe 10 to 15 minutes until it becomes thick. I think it's ready, guys, so we can turn it off the fire. Okay, so it looks yummy and delicious. So guys, if you have any questions regarding this ingredients or recipe, you can just leave a comment and then I can answer or reply to your questions. So by the way, thank you guys for staying and watching our videos for today. I hope you will always support our channel, Langka Pinay Scoop. So till next video again. So thank you and much love, guys. Bye bye.